quickly, but as
you're not going to be able to do this because the cost of them.
Okay. So this is to do with a formula to prevent tantrums.
Yeah.
Aideen Finnegan could sort out your life, everybody.
I could.
Mathematicians.
This word boffins that they love to use.
Him last night, the emails last night, he was like, this is ridiculous.
OK, Tommy, I'll let you loose now in a moment on this story. So mathematicians say they've come up with a formula to prevent tantrums on car journeys. Mathematicians, all those letters after their name.
Them, yeah.
They say they've created a formula that helps put us, Nottingham Trent University have found that the chances of a tantrum are reduced when a child is entertained. No S.
No,
Sherlock
yeah, exactly.
can delay a meltdown by 15 minutes.
But I love this. T equals 70. So 70 minutes, they reckon it takes before the first tantrum.
So tantrum equals 70.
That's ridiculous. Plus 2E, what's that?
Plus 5E.
Or 5E.
You failed already. Yeah.
But 70,
that's 5 minutes of being entertained. And plus 15 minutes of food before the tantrum it keeps them calm for 10 minutes longer.
However,
I have a 2-year-old and the toddler tantrums. Oh, listen, I mean, 70 minutes before a tantrum.
Yeah, go way out of that.
Good luck.
I don't think kids can go to tantrum 0 to 60.
We'll keep them quiet.
Like they're gone in 60 seconds?
Yeah.
Love it.
Do you have a hack on how to stop your children having tantrums in the back and them poking each other and fighting?
This is my side and you're not allowed crossover to my side.
Just take the iPhone and snacks and be quiet.
I'd love to hear about the most ridiculous tantrum they've had, like when, they wanted, it's not sunny outside, or it's, when it's really mad. Mathematicians
have talked about how they've come up with a formula for combating tantrums with the children in the back of the car. It doesn't work. And mathematicians, you're not going to solve this. But we've had a text, and I like this one. A text from Anne on the subject of tantrums in cars. Well, here is the best old-fashioned solution ever. Love it. The driver of the car simply turns off the engine and says, oh, that's it. The car's broken because of all the noise. Problem solved. After a few times, the kids were going shopping knowing that there's a promise of a treat as well as mentioned. But I love that. My kids would panic. It's just the constant chatter in the back. It doesn't stop.
Is this going to be employed?
Yeah, definitely. Stop the car.
Stop the car.
We had one as well whenever we used to watch the TV in the summertime. My dad used to come up and trip the electricity switch. The son's tripped the switch. No more Wi-Fi, no more television.
I remember that, just being like, that's what's happened. There's one here from Dave. We were asking for the bonkers reason that your child has had a tantrum. And Dave is in Limerick this morning, and this has just happened to him. His daughter just roared, had an absolute tantrum because her cornflakes, in which she wanted milk, because they're wet.
Yeah, no, I don't like them wet. I don't like them wet.
Oh, I feel like that's something Emma has said.
Daily.